Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Volkswagen Tiguan, stock reference number 5749. The shape runs from the 5th month 2008 through to the 8th month 2016. It has a CFFB, 4-cylinder, 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. CFFB, 4-cylinder, 2-litre turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror. Bonnet has no damage. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door 3 small dents. Left rear door 1 small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Park sensor type. Right rear tailgate garnish. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.